Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we have my husband Tony here.
What's up, y'all?
And we are just doing some deep fried seafood. We have some fried fish, shrimp, and we also have some chicken wings and fries. For today's drink, I'm just doing a tequila. Tequila pineapple.
It's rum and coke, you know it.
Rum and coke, let's say grace. All right, y'all, we are starving. I didn't put on no makeup today. I hope I'm not scaring y'all, but we about to get it in, okay? Because we are hungry. I just cooked all this food. I'm ready. Oh, we left the ketchup.
Oh, yeah.
I got ketchup for my fries. We got all our condiments back here. I got sweet and tangy.
Tartar sauce.
Cocktail sauce.
And I got some ketchup ranch.
Yes. So I'm gonna use some, we don't have no room to have the stuff up there. I know y'all like to see it sometimes, but I'm gonna just pick up this piece right here and get you a piece of fish over here. Oh, we so hungry. Oh.
Woke up early.
Oh, we forgot to take our shot.
Oh, yeah. I want to take that shot.
We ready. Happy Friday, y'all. Oh.
Yeah, y'all, we've been up a long time already. I did my little runs that I normally do on Fridays when I'm off.
Yeah. Grocery shopping for the week. We usually do on Friday mornings.
I'm gonna stop eating too so I can do the videos. Cause if I eat, then I won't be hungry.
With the king crab video, they was like, it seemed like Tony don't want to eat, and some people like, you eating all the food from Tony. But he had went crabbing that day. I don't know if y'all listened to the video, but he went crabbing that day, so he was trying to save his appetite.
Yeah.
And then y'all know Tony eat fast, so I had to tell him, make sure you pace yourself because we gotta get some time on the video.
But also, I did eat Burger King.
I know you did.
A good old double whopper with bacon, and I upsized it to a medium. I was out all day, man. In the sun, so I had to eat something.
It's so good, y'all.
Yeah, y'all was good.
I'm gonna put some. Have y'all ever tried this crunch? I thought it was ketchup. I'm gonna put some. Oh, it's not open.
Oh, yeah,
I can't open it with my nails. These little things, I can't pull it. Put a little bit of tartar sauce right here.
That's
I mean cocktail sauce.
yeah, cocktail sauce.
I like cocktail sauce with my shrimp.
Yeah, when I eat seafood, that's all I need right here. That's it.
We gotta have that Kraft brand because our other brand is trash. Is it like an off brand?
No, it's a great value.
I don't like that.
It's good to me, y'all.
Oh, that's good.
It is. I ain't put the top back on.
Squeeze some out. Because they be wanting to see us dip. Okay, I'm gonna eat a chicken wing. I fried these chicken wings myself. And I'm gonna dip it in some of the crunch. Let's see. That's real good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I see them shrimps. Thing's huge, right?
Then we got the shrimp from Costco's. And this is sway fish.
Bossa. Same thing, right?
From Walmart.
Walmart, yeah. What let me try some of that. Oh yeah.
So you say Robert gave you the oysters for free?
Yeah.
Wow.
He gave them to me because I was well, you know, I went in there to get what I get. And I asked him, did he have any oysters? And when I looked in the freezer, he had like a little bit. He was like, man, I just got a little bit. You want them? You want to buy them? So I was like, man, it looked like it was about 8 or 9 oysters. I was like, man, my son would kill that. So I was like, my son would kill them just 8 oysters, man. So he was like, well, you want to just take them? Because just take them. So I was like, yeah, I'll take them.
Are they big?
You know, man, you know what oysters, you gotta know. The shell can be big, but the oyster can be small, so. It was nice size shells, but man, you know, once you cook them, they ain't big no more.
Y'all had some nice size ones the last time.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah. Whatever, for Tony's birthday?
Y'all, I usually put ketchup on my fries, but we forgot the ketchup. But I like sweet and tangy on my fries sometimes too. So
You want me to go get the ketchup?
no, it's all right.
Y'all see my beard?
You got hair growing every which way.
Yeah. I'm covering my lip now. The boy need a haircut.
I told you I'd do you right. Shape you up.
I'm holding out.
I won't touch the beard, but I think I can at least give you a haircut.
Haircut easy though.
Because you don't do all that fading and all that.
I cut all my hair off, y'all, when I get a haircut.
You want your other piece of fish now or what?
I'm good.
You want?
I'll work my way to it.
Woo.
Oh, you getting full, huh?
I can't see if I got tartar sauce. Oh, I ain't putting no tartar sauce on my plate. I'm gonna try some tartar sauce. Cause I like tartar sauce, cocktail sauce. I usually put a little hot sauce. I can't see nothing. Yo, we don't do a story. We're not doing a story time today. But y'all know the next video I got y'all. I got a good one. I already watched it.
Know what you watching this morning?
So we went to Fresh Market today. And I bought 2 new wines. I posted it on my my Instagram. I got my eye on this one shrimp right here. It's just been calling my name. Look at that, y'all.
You better get them.
I can't think of the name of the wines that I got because I've never tried them before, but
yeah,
we looked at the point. So one was like scored 94 points. And then the other one was 90 points. And then we tried one from, Tony bought me 2 from, or 3 from Costco's.
Yeah.
So we got a Costco brand. That one was pretty good.
What's next for the kid?
And I know somebody's gonna ask me what type of batter I use for my fried food. We use House of Ultra. It's in a red bag.
Yeah, we love that. For some reason that House of Ultra they stopped selling the big bag
For the seafood.
But you can get the House of Ultra for the
the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken and the hush puppies. But we don't do the hush puppies. And they got spicy too. But we don't mess with them.
So it's already seasoned, but we still just add a little bit of seasoning. But that's really good for, you know, if you're not that good at seasoning.
Yeah.
You can use that, but we still add a little seasoning to ours. But it's really good. We've been using that for years. And then of course you add your you do your egg wash and stuff like that to get the
Shrimps?
The shrimp and if you want to do your chicken wings to get them looking a little flaky. But we don't do egg wash on the fish. But I don't like using cornmeal on my fried seafood at all.
They won't care for cornmeal.
That's the old school.
We don't even have cornmeal in the house.
We've never even bought cornmeal.
Nope. Yeah, cornmeal.
But don't get me wrong. Now, it is some people out there that can cook with that cornmeal, because my mama them still cook their seafood with cornmeal, but you have to mix it. You have to mix that cornmeal. I think Ryan mixed his with like flour or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to mix it.
Yeah.
Because just trying to do straight up cornmeal like back in the day.
We doing some damage.
Yeah, yeah. And what time is it? 5 o'clock.
This day flew by fast. And this day flew by fast.
That little drink was good. It was simple, but it was good. I had to throw something together real quick.
You know I bought the margarita. You should. That's what I thought you would have did.
Yeah, I had
It's the same color. No, I thought you did.
Yeah, I had time to do all that. I'll make some tonight though. For my vlog.
Yeah, I got.
I was cooking and blogging and cooking and blogging.
Yeah, I got a thing of margarita mix from well, it's not mixed. It's actually ready to drink. Got that from Costco also. I think it was about $8, but it's the
it's just
it's a half a gallon. I know that.
Is it the original margarita mix, or is it like a pineapple?
It's a liquor, and it's
No,
just
saying,
ready
is
to
it
drink.
the original, or is it like a flavored margarita mix?
I think it's original because it's that same, you know what I'm saying, that margarita color.
Yeah, I'll make some tonight on the vlog, y'all. So the next vlog, which is what, Monday or Tuesday? Oh no, it's actually tomorrow. What am I talking about? Tomorrow. The vlog will be out tomorrow, so y'all will see some drinks with that margarita mix.
I'm gonna make a drink too.
What you gonna make?
A Cuba Libre. Don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, how do I know all about it? Because that's all you drink.
No. I been making her drink sometime at night, y'all.
Yeah, he been making my drinks lately.
And they been good.
Child, he'll cut up like some strawberries, peaches, trying to make it look all cute. He been doing a good job.
Strawberry, peaches, mint, orange, lime. I be adding all kinds of stuff. One thing about my wife is it looks pretty, it's good.
That's not true.
You make it look good.
But I like the effort that you put into it.
Yeah.
But everything that look good ain't good. Y'all know that.
Yeah, when it comes to making drinks though, yeah.
Yeah, you know how to make drinks. So.
Good. But the boy getting full.
Me too.
And I usually can kill some food, but I had 2 whole. Oh no, I got a little piece of fish. I had 2 whole fish, about 30 shrimps.
Did I eat 1 whole fish at least? Cause this a half a piece. I'm full.
So I ate 2 whole fish, about 7 shrimps,
How many wings?
4 pieces of chicken.
I had 1 wing.
I know I had 3 chicken. And I love fries, y'all, so that was my little downfall. On this meal, your boy getting full.
I'm gonna eat a couple of shrimp and then I'll probably be good to go for a while. And then I'm gonna fix me a drink and chill. I need to post on my Instagram, but I don't even feel like doing no makeup today. I don't feel like doing my hair. I put a little bit of waves in it. It'll look better like with my makeup and stuff on. Y'all can get the full effect, but the waves fell because I did it earlier today. Just messing around just to see.
How much more you got in you?
I don't know. It's good.
It's real good. You might
sell this tray for about how much? About $50.
Oh hell no, the tray?
The whole thing that we had.
You got
4 pieces of fish. I
fried
think like
shrimp.
10 wings, probably 20 shrimp, fries. How much?
Cause you gotta think, these shrimps are big shrimps. So somebody give you 6 of them mugs and some fries at somewhere for like $8, $10. Cause those shrimps are huge.
So what you saying that $50,
chicken?
$50 is not enough?
Heck no. And them big 4 pieces of chicken, I mean fish, that fish was huge.
So what, $60?
Yeah, 60. Yep. They appreciate it too.
Cause it's so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh.
And we might give you a couple of packs of something, tartar sauce or something.
Yeah, we'll throw in a couple of
Some ketchup.
packets of Taco Bell sauce. Cause that's all I got.
And some,
I got some Taco Bell sauce in there.
You don't got no Chick-fil-A
Oh
sauce?
no, you know what? I got those
sauce?
little. I got those little cups. So I used to
Chick-fil-A
make when I
sauce?
was doing my seafood boil trays. I got those cups over there. So yeah, we'll hook you up with some tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, hot sauce.
Oops.
We'll hook it up. This is my last shrimp.
Yeah, me too.
We killed it, didn't we, y'all? We knocked it down.
I feel like I can go lay down right now.
Don't do it. I'm stuffed.
You and me both.
I don't think I've ever stuffed myself like this before. Well, it's been a while.
Woo!
Okay, guys, so I hope you're done eating. If you're eating with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.